Today, I'm back at Brantley to walk you through each model home before it opens to the public. With early access to the community, I've already secured multiple homes for my clients during the pre-selling phase. If you're interested in taking advantage of early incentives and strong pricing, stay tuned. Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. 你好. I'm Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Today, we're taking a look at the Lucera model, the largest and most luxurious floor plan offered here at Brantley. This stunning two-story home features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 to 5.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and over 4,731 square feet of living space. The Lucera is designed for buyers who want maximum space, flexibility, and high-end living. It offers a variety of structural options, including an optional prep kitchen, a game room, an optional multi-generational suite, and even a second powder room, allowing you to tailor the home to your lifestyle. Whether you're accommodating extended family, hosting frequently, or simply want defined spaces for entertaining, working, and relaxing, this floor plan delivers on every level. The starting price is from $1.5 million, with the final price varying based on lot selection and structural upgrades. If you're looking for one of the most impressive and versatile new construction homes in Summerlin West, the Lucera is definitely a model you'll want to see in person. The living room, dining area, and kitchen flow seamlessly together, creating a space that feels both expansive and welcoming. This is the kind of layout that works just as well for everyday living as it does for hosting gatherings or entertaining guests. And just like the other models, there are quick move-in homes available. So if you want early access to the best lots and incentives, now is the perfect time to explore. The natural light is another major highlight here. With large windows and thoughtful placement, the home feels bright throughout the day, adding to that open and airy atmosphere. I get fresh updates from the builder almost every day, since I have multiple ongoing deals in this community and take my clients on tours regularly. So, if you want instant access to insider information, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll make sure you don't miss a thing. Also, don't forget to watch my other video covering Brantley's pre-selling opportunities, link in the description. I'll help you secure the most favorable deals before they're gone. This stunning floating staircase is a structural upgrade, which means it has to be selected early in the build process. It typically costs over $50,000. So how much builder credit you're able to secure really makes a big difference. Having enough flex credit allows you to comfortably cover both structural upgrades and design studio selections without feeling constrained. That's where working with the right representation matters. I'll make sure you get the maximum credit possible, and all of my clients have already secured significantly better incentives by working with me. The primary suite is a true retreat. It's generously sized and easily accommodates large furniture while still feeling open and comfortable. One of my favorite features of this home is this Mirador, a large balcony that's already included with this plan. You don't need to spend extra on a structural upgrade to enjoy these beautiful views every single day. It's a great example of how this floor plan delivers luxury and value right from the start. The primary bathroom has a spa-like feel, with dual vanities, a spacious shower, and the option for luxury upgrades depending on your preferences. You'll also find a large walk-in closet, providing plenty of storage without compromising on style. One thing I really like about this layout is the laundry room being located right next to the primary closet. It's incredibly convenient, and with a simple expansion, you can easily use this space as a second closet or additional storage area. It's a smart design that adds both functionality and everyday convenience. In this plan, the large secondary bedrooms are located on the opposite side of the home, offering great separation and privacy from the primary suite. If you found this tour helpful, make sure to check out my other video on Brantley's pre-selling opportunities, where I break down exclusive incentives and early access deals in more detail. Because I work closely with the builder and have multiple active clients in this community, I receive daily updates on pricing, availability, and incentives. If you'd like insider access or want to tour these homes in person, feel free to reach out. I'll make sure you're positioned to get the best possible terms. Even at this pre-selling stage, many of the best home sites with premium views are already gone, which shows how quickly this community is moving. The remaining opportunities won't last long, especially as we get closer to the public grand opening. The builder is aiming for a grand opening by the end of January. And with interest rates likely heading down, I truly want to make sure my viewers and clients don't miss this window. Contact me today for the best pricing details and exclusive builder incentives. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Lauren Chen Fu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. See you in the next one.